She said she have a man, but her old fear belly make him turn up and make him come. Lord God, the belly must see a push off the man. So the man a push the belly, a push back the iron balloon we can't bust. And the man a fuck you, I hide in the night and fuck you. I know you come for life and warn you. He must come in a late night and fuck you. Anyway, until upon the back and cover his nose with a mask. And ride you like a donkey and one in down in left and in gone. Oh, whoa there. Whoa there. Whoa there. I body tough on, I belly big like tank. Whoa. She have a lot of guests in her house, you know. Eating with her, they call them roaches. Hello. So she live in a townhouse and me in a shelter. And the townhouse full of rat and roach. Lord Jesus. Rewind and come again. Hallelujah. Come quick, he call out a door. Come quick, no man, he call out a door. Call out, yeah, come quick. He call out, yeah, come put on my bag of roadside, darling, and the little thing in my hand. Good, he say, empty out that big stomach of Marcia have. Lift up the bottom of the belly, Olivette, and empty her out. Then say, look, cash out money for buy food. Eat as much. I was eating so much for the whole day I couldn't come earlier. Because my belly full. Say, empty her out. Run, come and rock and come in. She said, I'm ugly. And this and that, and this and that, and man, and this and sell. Tell her so she can't sell. Tell her so she can't sell. Then say, Olivette to send money for here for buy food. Eat as much food you want since she say she are beg. Since she say you are beg, because say they can't deal with you can't eat. And then come live. They say empty out the bag what she have. Empty it out. It too enough and it too stiff. Once she bust me. Lord God, she bust me. Marcia Campbell say she bust me. I want bust a 10-inch foot up in her hole. I want bust a 10-inch foot up in her hole and twist it. But she bust me. Bust me where and when? In darling? In darling? Must you think a country bus to the put go Portland? Now what she must you think? She must you think. She must you think. And when the girl say yes, she must you think. But when it's a 49-year-old body, Lord Jesus. On the rock out come here, me not say nothing to the reach. To the rash reach in here tonight. What a disgrace, people are coming from England, Toronto, all over the world. So many on the internet. To me tell her, she know wear the rash wig. She come to tell me nose all big and home and ugly. And rock and come in. Rock and come in, darling. I'll wait. Rat and roach in a townhouse and me in a shelter. But we don't want to live in a townhouse if rat and roach have to take you over so. Mrs. She left her life at the juice and the roach just decide come. Alright baby, pick up yourself. Alright, don't know baby. The roach come say hello and go live too. The roach wanted to speak to the audience. The roach go live right on the juice box. Now you know that your place has to be inoculated. Inoculated, I said. Inoculated for roach to be on your juice box. Because if your house is not inoculated, mean infested, roach in order by your juice box. One roach in our finding way to the house their juice box. That means a whole lot of them need juice. And he come to tell her, look, we need juice for everybody. We need juice for everybody, darling. You see, y'all get mad. And I tell the people, oh, the girl ugly and fear punions. Water is unlimited. When we go to the shower, me and nobody knock on the door till me come out of the shower. When me done bathe, me done bathe. And how me know say your pork is stink and sour and carrot cheese and chegs. Hello, like Sprite cottage cheese. Let me tell you how your pleats stay for your big old man. First of all, your couch smell like a dog bed. Hey man, it does. Her couch smell like a dog bed. You know when you're eating all that jerk pork, she eating all that jerk pork, all the chicken and all the cows and the goats and everything she can pack in that big ass gut. Hello, tell her to come. Yes, Marcia Campbell, I'm here. Everybody coming from all over the world. So you're going off because I said about the wig. You know you bad mind Miss Dana, I wasn't lying. And I know you're going to bad mind me now too. Ain't you, baby? Come on now. Let me like this shit. Let me like this shit, baby. I'm not arguing, you know. You see, I'm calm because I'm a child of God. I'm not blaze up and cuss bad word. We just do it nice. And Tina Turner would say easy. Nice and easy. She has no knowledge. She's oversized for her age. Her body's lazy. Her twat sour. Her asshole itch. Her asshole scratch. See, I'm like her belly stiff like the cow cod, me the cow hood. I like to drink cow cod soup, a jerk pork, and curry goat and all them things she eat. She said she got a gym go work out. Me in the house but she go work out. I must have drag on her. And then she had name the whole of fruit. She don't know she had fruit, she's supposed to name fruits. Yeah, God Jim go work out. She come with a big bowl of thing and the big sin thing of white rice. The big sin thing where she have a what we call it macaroni and cheese and pork. And she lay it out in her house. What a shame. To what? Me never tell her say wig make for me alone. I said that's my style. And like I said, I have them in different color, like I did say. Okay? So don't come here running your ass when I'm talking to this woman. I'm talking to this bad mind woman. I'm talking to the stiff belly woman. I'm talking about the oversized, mumpy-sized woman. That's what I'm talking to. Okay? I'm talking to someone that think that they're better off than everybody else. Alright? But you having party. You don't walk over your party and which man you have fuck. Him stomach strong. Him really did get to come, him stomach strong. Because if you cock up that the big leg there where you have and that the big goat there, a lot of work for you pull the swine across the bed, you know. You're pulling the swine across the bed, the heavy weight and the heavy foot I throw up on the man. That the man they must get paid. Him is not fucking you for free. You are earning that motherfucker his money. He's getting his money, that's why he's coming over. Talk about you don't want a man because you don't want a man where rich have money because they not go want you and this and that. And the little man we have, him not wanting that money him want. Every man want a comfortable hole for lying in a comfortable vagina for lying in a. And sure enough, your vagina is not comfortable. Marcia, your vagina is not comfortable. It's miserable. And it's making you miserable. And that's the reason why you don't like nobody. Because your pussy make you miserable. Eh? The mud hole where you have between your legs, the mud hole there. There's a mud hole, it's a swamp. It's a motherfucking swamp. The amount of alligator in that motherfucker to bite you. I don't know, you talk about who have disease and take shots amount. You can be talking to me, bitch, because I ain't take no medical from Bumbleclad Babylon. I'm gonna have no sickness. So I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. You must be talking about your roaches in your house. How the fuck a grown-ass woman can be so nasty that she look at the ugly curtain that she has in her window. The fucking red ugly curtain. Those curtains look like some dead curtain. I swear those curtains make you feel like you're going to die in a casket. Yes, bitch. You heard me what I said. You heard me clear. Talk about you're going to make party and who love you're going to come. Nobody have time to waste money to come to that party to be around you. For what? Yeah, she say I'm so ugly, my nose what my blessing. I'm glad my nose stay the way it is more than yours. Your nose look like a penis, natural look like a body head. Me see you put on the glasses, your nose look like natural like a body head. This big piece of round sitting on top of your nose there. The bigger your part look like a hood head. Look like you can't take a grind yourself. When I talk a big nose, your fucking nose look like a body head, darling. A body head. When a man skin over him body head, I saw your nose look like a body head. Yes, darling. Yes. So what? I tell you, I'm telling the truth. You said what you gotta say. I'm saying what I gotta say. Stop bad minding Blanca boss. Stop bad minding Miss Donna. If Miss Donna have one weight, she look better than you. She got a fatter pussy than you. She's cleaner than you, and she doesn't carry that ranking meat. Leave her alone. She's blessed by God, and you're not fucking blessed. You're sure two piece of ugly curtain. Let me tell you something. One of your fan is mine. Actually, it's one of your fans that sent me money today to buy food and tell me to empty your stomach. Now, this is one of your fans that sent me money today and sent me money a couple weeks ago, 400. And she said to empty today, she sent me one. The other day she sent me four. She said to empty out your bad mind out your stomach. She said empty it out, make it go down flat. Me I beg you, Olivette, empty out her blood clot. Got there for me, please. Empty it out. Because she love Miss Donna, and you go and touch Miss Donna, and she never liked that, so she stopped giving you money. Instead she give you the money, she give me the money now. Yes, now. Yes, because you're trouble, God bless, so you lose your blessing. So instead that she give me the money, she give me the money now. You understand? She even give me money to come on here now. That's one of your fans. Yeah. She said to empty out your stomach. She's not giving you any more money. She said your stuff over your house is very filthy and dirty. Empty out your stomach and make you go and clean your house. I know, I don't want to. I'm already big up yourself. Me, you see, I defend me. What the girl? Boy, me, so somebody put my girl on pan picture. Me, realize for picture. Everybody say have a nice piece of pum pum between your leg, Amari. Boy, you surprise them. Them say them things in this church like your mouth, but me say have a decent piece of pum pum. They are mad, motherfucker them. Yes, 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 yes. Tell her if you come. Tell Marcia if you come. There. Come. Tell her if you come with her big belly. Come with the baby to make your arm band. Tell her if you come. Tell her if you come and turn back. Don't show up the other people. She walk with a big gut like she breathe and baby can't band. Tell her if you come. But she live in a town out and live in a shelter. Yes, we live in a shelter for true. As soon as I find something for the price, make you afford to pay, me will find something, me pay. And I will move. Me I was on the road, I ship my cream, them and I make my cream. I don't have time to sit down and just sit down with my hand drop down, so no. I don't have to tell them my business. Because you see, you boss me, you make me a star and you boss me. And you go boss, you could have boss me 10-inch foot up in your tune wall. And Marcia Campbell a long time, you know see the pum pum that we have, you know. That scent in your analyte a long time, you know, see it, because the way you got big. And the belly stiff. If you put mirror down, if you try see the mirror, go and broke up to ass. If you put a piece of mirror, if you see your tune down there, it go and mash up the mirror. Because you can't see it a long time, you don't see it. Until you can see your pum pum. And you can see what I go on with it before you can come and talk to me. Because I know you haven't seen that bitch in a long time. You can't see the belly too big and tight and saggy. Imagine you take off your clothes or your belly big and sag down on the bed for your man right pan that. It's like you ride pan a little boat pan big water out of ocean. You know what I mean? I talk about who not have man, who not have man. We don't care to run down for man, we care to run down for God. A God we have and a knowledge we have and a power we have. Something you don't know about. Something we name every day in a pork, we swallow. You don't have no rash knowledge. You're a big old saggy woman, sour crutches woman. And that she drink coke and soup. And when she ready, she pass the fucking roach them like popcorn. Imagine you live in a place you have a roach come up on your life. That means your place infested with roach. Nasty. Imagine everything smell like a roach. You have a nice little place supposed to put up nice and pretty, nice, curtain and clean. You can sit through the camera and look beautiful. You pack up full of blood clot, roach and rats. Eh? If your pussy no must scratch you, after you have all that pork, all that macaroni and cheese, all that in your chest and go lay down in there with your big fat sour self smelling. And your arm come out, the rotten meat come out, the smell and your arm perspirate. Your drawers scratch them, start on yellow like a curry in them. I bet you can't wear white drawers, Marcia Campbell. You can't wear white cotton drawers. Because the whole of the crotch I got on yellow like a curry that's your night. Because you perspirate all the rotten meat that way you yam. And that's why I know so your twat stink. Can't wear white drawers. Any man that come at you, I don't know when I come at you for. Because I better jerk off than come at you. And save me strength and energy. You know, see that part redundant to man. You talk about my own life. So what if me used to fuck? That nah nothing to do with your blood clot. Me talk about my wig. Right? And if me used to fuck and talk about this and that, me still can't fuck now. But tell me who want fuck you. Tell her to come over here. Right? First I want you to know I'm a beautiful black woman. It's nothing ugly about me, darling. Take a good look. It's nothing ugly about me. But you know what ugly about you? Had me look for you one time. The big old waist, you trim your waist jelly. Like a big pack of jelly around your blood clot waist. You need to go to one of them places where spice then go to and go get your body done. Go and go dead on the table. You deserve to your nasty ass. You obey in your gut. A bad man in your gut. And so you watch Miss Dana every second, every minute, every hour. Obey and bad man make your gut big so. Every time you don't promise Dana and don't promise Dana, but you not get no better, you got to get bigger and bigger. Shine and shiner. You know, see, you're not knowledge what we are, Nyam. You know, see, you're not a child of God, you're all about party and this and that. You're not even a child of God. Woman, you're a old devil with your ranking, mate. Rank up is a drive up and down. can't hold him piss to piss by himself because you eat all the wrong thing them. We make all your blood a weak. You're ranking meat. You can't look on this a superstar, this a hot pussy girl and talk all them things. Well, listen, if me that sell crutches, me that rich in a man at night pandemic here. I'm a child of God, darling. Look good. I'm a child of God. I'm in a yam pork, I'm in a yam beef, I'm in a yam goat. No one get me see them like a chicken, I me cut that out to not shrimp, not fish. As chicken, I tell this me pan right now. Come in and walk around, smell like no ranking meat. Good. So you take a good look on the vegetarian body, darling. Take a good look on the vegetarian body, darling. Because this is what you need, vegetable. Take a good look on the vegan body, darling. Take a good look on the vegan body. Hello. Take a good look on the vegan body, darling. Yes, I mean, I'm on a race trainer. Okay, I just the outfit alone, I have on. Yeah, take a look on the vegan body, darling. When I say you come, your belly come in like a casket. Your belly a casket. And then dump the dead body them in your gut. Your gut on symmetry. And then it up in them farm where you can't feel good and you're ignorant all the while. Because all the dead body them dump in your gut and rotten out in your gut. When you go to the bathroom and shit, all the rat and the roach, I'm supposed to run out of the house. But when you done shit and it cool down and the smell gone, they run right back in. Marcia Campbell, come for me, come for me. Say she have man, say she have man. Tell me how they really want to get a cockstand. Say she have man, say she have man. Big belly girl, how the man get a cockstand. Oh, she want to be boss and brag and she don't have nothing, nothing. No man nah fuck big belly girl like a alley button. He not go get nothing, he might be get something. Talk shit talk, come over here. Come over here, darling. I'm a lesbian, so I'm not going to ask for that lava juice me. Because I'm not a lesbian, I'm a child of God. I walk upright, I work with all of them nastiness there. I work with all of them nasty. Ranking meat. Ranking meat, where you there? Your skin out and say my nose ugly and I push up on a guard. Your nose look like Uded. When Uded stand up on Viagra. I say your nose look like when Uded stand up on Viagra, darling. You're bright and out of order. Not even without wig, me still look good, darling. Me still look good, not even with me have on to look good, darling. We are come talk about, eh? Her nose look like old, like a Viagra old, when would stand up on Viagra. I shall come talk about my nose. Skin up and a push all kind of paper on nose, like when somebody did. You know, see, I walk into the zombie. That I got on zombie soon. Me said that I got on zombie soon. Because I was stop now, I'm up a dead body, them and I ain't got. How can she really find love? Eh? No, darling, you can't find no love. A fool, them a fool you. You're not finding no kind of love without a big belly there. No man can comfort with your own belly if you can't comfort with your own belly. I'm sure enough so you're not comfortable with it. So him can't comfortable with it neither. Oh, so you're not coming? Come on, come ranking meet Marcia, your house full of roach. The roach are your audience, come. The roach are your audience when you go live. The roach make up for all the people in your life. Trust me, the roach them, so come. Yes, I want to hear people send me money to buy me food. I say empty out I got too big. Because she full of bad mind, I give her more money. She too bad mind. Yes, me wig I can't take it off. Me take off the red color one and put on this color. Yes, fresh and clean. I'm a wash me nani, soap and water, clean my body good and fresh and nice and tight. You see, years and top of years, I'm gonna use it as a pump me. You understand me? Years and top of use me. I don't have to use it because I don't have to sell it as an old trade. I'm blessed by God now. I'm blessed by God, the one that I put my trust in. I'm blessed by God because I don't drink alcohol, I don't eat red meat, I don't walk around sucking dick down my throat. You know what I'm saying? I walk with the words of God and hold my head high with faith. And God bless me. Look how I look beautiful and fresh without no shrimp and no fish. Just natural, just all vegetarian dish. Darling, I feel so wonderful. It's something some girl don't know about. Because the man am demon for the demon and takes it upon him. You know, she's a demon takes it upon Marcia. She's demon possessed by the pork. The duppy then come pan her when she go lie down and torment all night and chest a bun her. And I go bathroom and I shit and I fart all night. And the whole place stink up with air freshener. If you go see her with one air freshener in one hand, darling, and the belly hang over on the toilet seat and the two little leg them look like SpongeBob. Look like SpongeBob under the belly, the two little leg them. Lord of mercy. Tell her to come on out here the ranking meat. Tell her to come on out here with the ranking meat. She can't sit down pan body and wine. Anybody she sit down pan the drop down dead. She can't sit down pan the body and wine. Ask good front girl if sit down pan body and wine. Ask good front girl for the back shot and lizard lap.